Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and you're welcome to the family. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And we're going to jump straight into today's topic, which is international scholarships. We've been looking at home scholarships these last few videos, but now we're going to look at international scholarships. And the first scholarship on the list is for one who resides and is from Nigeria. So yeah, it's a scholarship if you reside or you living in Nigeria to come to the UK, that's right, to study. So let's just jump straight in and have a look. So the scholarship is called Great Scholarship for Justice and Law, and it's from the University of Westminster. So you can type into Google University of Westminster Great Scholarship for Justice and Law. So let's have a look and see what exactly this scholarship entails. So this scholarship is in partnership with the UK government's Britain campaign and British Council. And so it's for £10,000 tuition fee award paid directly to the university towards your tuition fees. And it can be for £10,000. And if you are doing a postgraduate, which is 2 years, you only receive the money for the first year. And so who is eligible? Let's have a look. So it says open to overseas fee-paying students from and residing in Nigeria. Yeah. It says you must hold an offer for a full-time master's course in law starting September 2022. If you already hold a master's, unfortunately, you're not eligible. And if the course you're applying for is one of these, unfortunately, not eligible either. How to apply or what is the criteria? So minimum criteria you need to have is a 2-1 equivalent at bachelorette level, and there's a chart here for you to look and see what the equivalence is in Nigeria. So there's only one scholarship available, and the deadline is the 13th of June 2022. And it's saying here, once you complete the form and have your evidence and PDFs, just email it to this person here. So we just have a quick look at the form. And so it's very detailed here as well, as we saw on the other page. This is what the scholarship is, who you need to email and contact. You need to ensure you have all these things when you're emailing, your 8-digit Westminster reference number for your application, and so various other things. So just read through this carefully, scroll through it, and then ensure you have all the documents and things ready if you would like to apply for this. I think this is a good scholarship because it's directly for someone that is based in Nigeria, residing in Nigeria currently, and that wants to come to the UK to study a master's in law. And so this university will give you £10,000 free money by way of waiving some of your tuition fee. And I think that's really good scholarship here. So yeah, once you've completed everything, it's not too long. The form is not too long, so once you complete it, you can just email it back to this person here. And so that's it for today. As I said, this one was to do with Nigeria and UK. So for someone who's in Nigeria who would like to come to the UK to study law at master's level. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. God bless you all, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.